ready to going to the airport. Thank you so much everyone. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And magda-dry muna ako ng hair ko dahil basang-basa yung buhok ko. So, we are ready going to the airport now. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone. Good afternoon sa lahat. Good afternoon to all of yours. Mga friend, mga lods. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Thank you for watching.